Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are going to see some interesting videos on substation and as well as your hydro power station, just for revising only. So if you see this videos, you can know, you can understand the things much better. As I already we have discussed enough about this substation, and we have seen some videos on substation also. So today some of the videos also I will show, and as well as we'll move on to the some interesting videos on hydro power stations. So I'm just sharing the screen. In last class, we have seen about some 2-3 videos we didn't see. So now we are going to see this. So this is about the substation installation video. How the installation is being made in the substation. The erection of floor structures, then insulators. So next video is Just this is the 3D modeling of a substation. See, almost in the world, if you visit any substation, it will be like this only. So this structure is common. So then the geographical area is somewhat different, but the structure is common. So the entire setup will be like this only, the same as we discussed. See, CTPTs, current transformer, potential transformers. This one is the power transformer, buses. So here, if you see, like, there are two stages are there.